Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need a clean, easy way to write and share documentations or wikis? In this video, I will show you how to use GitBook from scratch, even if you are a total beginner. Let's get started. So, what is GitBook? GitBook is an online platform for creating knowledge bases or team wikis. It's perfect for developers, educators, or anyone who wants to create structured, searchable content online. Now head over to gitbook.com or gitbook.com and sign up for a free account or sign up with your GitHub, then Google, etc. Click start for free. Select Google for description. Then continue. Once inside, you will see the profile complete process, like your name. Select planning used to planning to use Gitbook for publish and continue. Enter the site name. The next step. The next step. Choose the plan from here. I will choose the free plan. Then next step. Then create site. Once inside, you will see your workspace dashboard where you can manage projects, collections, and members. Now, from home, you can see the Google Analytics, Intercom, Hotjar, etc. From here, click Open your space to edit. You can see the welcome message. Then click Quick Start. And now click Publish your docs and editor. Then you can edit your site from here. Just click Edit. From your dashboard, you can see an option to create documentation or click new space to create a new document. Name your space, like my first project. Choose a blank template or use a starter if you want. Gitbook creates a table of contents and lets you add nested pages. Click into editor and start writing. You can use headings and subheadings. Use and add bullet points and numbered lists based in code blocks. Insert links, images, tables, and embeds. Gitbook supports Markdown, so it's easy to style text. To organize your content, add new pages from the left sidebar. You can create sub pages, rearrange them by drag and drop, and keep everything neatly structured for easy reading. Want to collaborate? Click the share icon from upper. Then invite team members by email. Enter your members' email address. Everyone can edit in real time, leave comments, or review content before publishing. Once your content is ready, hit publish to make it public and private. Copy the shareable link and your readers can view your GitBook like a real website, no coding needed. Pros: clean professional layout, easy to use, even for non-coders. Supports Markdown and embeds. Cons: free plan has limited team members, custom domain and branding require paid plans. API GitBook is perfect for developer docs like APIs, code guides, educational content, courses, tutorials, company wikis, SOPs, onboarding manuals, etc. From integrations tab, you can integrate with Google Analytics, Intercom, Wisp, GitHub Copilot, Slack, etc. Just click on it and click install and follow the process and install on every site or install on a specific site. Click on it, then install. Now we can customize it from here. Then configure complete configuration, tracking ID, enter your tracking ID, then done. And that's how you use GitBook as a beginner. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tools like this, and comment below what type of GitBook you will create first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.